Joe's very laconic voice would come down through the fallback. Ivan, that third string still sounds a little sharp.
Joe was really good at that, you know. So, "Well, Ivan, I think, you might. Oh no, that's wrong. I can't do an American accent. Yeah. Well, you could maybe just tune the B string up a bit or something. He was good at that.
Ivan, your G string is slipping. That's about it. Joe gave us a free rein, really. He just wanted us to record as if we were playing a performance, a live performance.
We sat around in a circle and recorded, and various techies came down and placed mics everywhere, which we were kind of afraid of. The sound of the room, I think there was, and I think you could, by moving around the room, you could change the sound ambience. And I know that horns used to get recorded in underneath in the lower part. I think we were more out in the main room, as far as I remember. But sound techniques, there definitely is a sound, but I'm not sure how much that is the room and how much it was the way that things were recorded by the very clever engineers. We were great admirers of Fairport's and Nick Drake, and we knew their work, and I knew that they recorded in sound techniques, and we felt pretty honoured actually to be going in the doors.